Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be taking one more important chapter from 5th standard IT. The name of the chapter is Term that belongs to a set. In that also we will be concentrating on numbers today. See students, term that belongs to a set में words or figures का video I have already uploaded. I am giving you the link in the description box. Please see that. Okay. Students, as the name suggests, here a set will be given. 3 or 4 numbers will be given to you. They will be of the same type or same set. Okay. So you need to find out the similar one from the options given. It is going to be very simple. But students, for any type of sum on numbers, whether it is series or whether it is this term that belongs to a set, when it comes to numbers, you are expected to know all types of numbers. Here again, in case you have not seen my 2 videos on numbers, I suggest you see them. So you will know all the numbers like triangular numbers, twin prime numbers, even number, odd number, square numbers, cube numbers, etc. Okay. So you must know them because many questions will be based on those numbers. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. See this first one. Some numbers are given in the form of a fraction, right? 3/4, 1/2, 1/4. Answers में भी सब options में भी सब fractions ही दिख रहे हैं और है उसमें फर्क है. They are looking like fractions, but here for example this first one, 4/2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2/1, 2/1 means 2, which is not a fraction. Here again 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5/1 means 5, which is not a fraction. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 3/1 means 3, which is an integer, not a fraction. So here fourth one is the answer. Because 7 is not completely divisible by 2. So this is a fraction. Okay, this is 3.5 actually. So it is a fraction. ये पूरे 2 है, ये पूरे 5 है, ये पूरे 3 है, fraction नहीं है. So answer is fourth one. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Observe. Here you need to observe the numbers. ये 24 क्यों है? ये 6 क्यों है? 6 fours are 24, 3 fours are 12. But 8 fours are not 53. It should be correct for all, right? So that is not the thing. Then what it is? Observe. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. As simple as that. One digit addition. So you see, answer is this. 7 plus 2 is 9. Because 1 plus 4 is 5, which is not there. 3 plus 4 7 नहीं है, 6 plus 1 7 नहीं है, 7 plus 2 9 है. So answer is that. So it was just one digit addition. Imagine, first we thought ये fraction है तो ये भी fraction ही होगा. No, here they have given this in the fraction form just to confuse you. Okay, ये देखो, observe. 4 digit मतलब you have to break. How you have to break? That you need to analyze. How can we break and find some relation? 5 into 6 30 जो बीच में दिया है, 3 into 4 12, 2 into 8 16. So they have broken numbers like this, बीच में 2 digit रखा है और 1 digit बाजू में. So you find out, take the help of options. See here it is 6 7s are 42. So third option. Isn't it easy? Very easy. Actually when you come to know, then you realize अरे ये तो एकदम easy था. ये भी 4 digit है. Our job is not to trouble you. We are just testing your ability to think. 4 digit है मतलब कुछ तो है. We don't want you to deal with 4 digits. Very rarely we expect that. Mostly 4 digit मतलब कुछ तो है. See, I told you divisibility test also plays a very vital role. Here it is divisibility test of 4. Last 2 digits ले रही हूँ. 48 which is divisible by 4. If you divide 48 by 4 you will get remainder 0. Similarly, in case of 12 and 36. So all these numbers are divisible by 4. So from this I need to find out divisible by 4 वाला number. Option 4 straight away. क्योंकि 18 is not divisible by 4, 34 भी 4 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, 42 भी नहीं, 42 नहीं हो सकता, 44 is divisible by 4, 42 नहीं. So 76 को अगर मैं डिवाइड करती हूँ 4 से, करो 4 1s are 4, 3 बचा, ये 6 आया नीचे, 9s are 36. 0. This is what decides whether that number is divisible by 4 or no. So option 4 is divisible by 4, like other thing. So set was of divisibility of 4. Next one, observe the numbers. 9537, 3975, 7359. Same digits are used to form these 4 digit numbers. Very easy. एक 9 है, एक 3 है, एक 5 है, 7 है, जम्बल करके नंबर्स बनाए हैं. सो इसमें से कौन सा है? दिस वन ऑब्वियसली. इसमें 1 है जो इसमें नहीं है, इसमें 2 है जो इसमें नहीं है, इसमें कौन सा है? 2 है जो नहीं है. एक 3, एक 5, एक 7 और एक 9 होना जरूरी है. सो दिस इज आंसर, थर्ड वन. इजंट इट इजी? नेक्स्ट वन, स्टूडेंट्स हु नो द क्यूब नंबर्स, उनके दिमाग में शायद ये जल्दी से आएगा कि these numbers are very they are not interrelated to each other, but they are very close to cubes. ये 64 4 के क्यूब के नजदीक है. 4 क्यूब minus 1, I am writing it here. 4 क्यूब minus 1, ये 2 क्यूब 8 minus 1, ये 3 क्यूब 27 minus 1. So this is a set cube minus 1. So I need to find out from this. We are not expecting you to know the cube of many numbers. Just 10 numbers sufficient. You must know the cube numbers up to 10. So this is 1 cube minus 1. That is 0. 1 cube is also 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So किसी number का cube minus 1 is the set. So from that we have found out this 0. So easy. चलो next one, observe this. I always tell you many times whenever they write numbers in the form of fraction, actually they are not fractions. Similarly, they are written in the form of fraction, but actually they are not fractions. Then what are they? Find out. Play with the numbers. 10 plus 6 कितना होता है? 16, which is a square number. 1 plus 3 4, again it is a square number. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 5 9, which is a square number. So addition square आ रही है. तो देखो ऐसा कुछ है क्या? देखो 5 plus 15 20 नहीं है वो स्क्वायर. 27 स्क्वायर नहीं है, क्यूब है. 27 स्क्वायर नहीं है, इधर स्क्वायर है तो स्क्वायर ही फाइंड आउट करना है. 17 plus 8 25, yes, which is a square of 5. ये 21 plus 9 30 तो स्क्वायर है नहीं, तो थर्ड इज द आंसर. So easy. Again 8 question देखो बच्चे लोग, 4 digit. Again we need to break it. Where to break it and how to break it, that is intelligence. Now here observe. इधर हम लोगों ने कैसे किया था? 1 digit 2 digit 1 digit. इधर कैसे करना पड़ेगा? सोचो. अगर मैं इधर करती हूँ 2 2, they are primes. See, 13 is prime, 79 prime, 67 prime, 31 prime, 17 prime, 83 prime. So find out from the options. 75 इधर कट करना पड़ेगा सबको. Find out करो. 75 प्राइम नहीं है, 63 भी नहीं है, 53 प्राइम है लेकिन 45 नहीं है. ये दोनों प्राइम है. 41 प्राइम है, 57 प्राइम नहीं है. So here also you are expected to know the prime numbers. Very easy, isn't it? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. 317/51, so big numbers. Oh my God. So what are? Is it difficult? Not at all, बच्चे लोग, not at all. See, 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 53, 51. Very sorry. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. So ये कुछ number that is integer and 1/3, integer 1/3, integer 1/3. These integers are not important. 1 upon 3 is important because that is making it a set. So find out करो from the option. ये 20 को अगर डिवाइड करो so 1 upon 4 आ रहा है, नहीं. ये 1 upon 2 आ रहा है, नहीं. 7 1 7 7 4 28, नहीं. 21 1 21, 21 3 63. ये 1 upon 3 वाला है. So option number 1. One small division and 2 marks in the pocket. Now next one. Numbers are not at all related to each other. कुछ भी नहीं है, squares नहीं है, cube नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. तो क्या हो सकता है? In that case you just add them up. Add करके तो देखो 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 3 19 आ रहा है टोटल. इसका देखो 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 8 19, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 9 19. So ये भी ऐसे हो सकता है. So इधर 3 plus 7 10 plus 6 16, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 8 19. So this could be the answer, but we will see. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 6 18. So obviously answer is second option. Isn't it easy? Tell me honestly. It is very easy. Only thing is you have to observe the numbers. Whatever is there in your syllabus, questions will be based on that only. We are not allowed to give anything out of the syllabus. Here what is judged is knowledge about numbers. For that you should know various numbers, and when you know, observe the numbers given to you. There has to be a way out. Okay? Practice करो, जितना हो सकता है उतना practice करो. Solve as many different questions as you can. So तुम लोगों का thinking भी improve हो जाएगा. And at the time of examination, you will be absolutely in comfort zone. Okay? Students, we are through with this important chapter today. Okay? If you have any query, doubt, you can put them in the comment section. And if you enjoy my videos, then share them with more and more students, and like my videos, comment on them. Okay? And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Study well. You know my instruction by now. Study well, and most importantly, yes, enjoy studying. Bye.